This is Jeremiah with 10 or Less, where we use 10 items or less, but use higher quality ingredients to have an overall better overland camping meal. This time, we're cooking Backcountry Carbonara. This is a great meal to feed a lot of people with not a lot of ingredients. First, your choice of ramen noodles. Some large eggs. Next, hard classic Parmesan cheese. Black pepper. And lastly, some good old thick cut bacon. First, leave the bacon stacked and cut it into small chunks. Let's preheat a skillet and start boiling our water. Let's start frying up about 2 slices worth of bacon. Now that we've rendered out some grease, let's drop the temperature and push everything to the side. Now we'll separate the egg yolk from the egg whites by tossing the egg yolk back and forth between the 2 shell halves. We only need the egg yolk. Add a hefty amount of our hard Parmesan cheese to the egg yolk. Bringing our water to a boil, add 1 pack of ramen noodles. We're not going to be using the sauce packet, so set that aside. And we're also not going to break up the noodles before we put it in the pot. We're going to keep the noodles moving around just until they start to break up and get soft. Turn your pan heat back to medium, and we're going to add the soft noodles to the bacon and bacon grease. We're also going to add, per serving, 1/2 cup of the noodle water, along with our 1 egg yolk and Parmesan cheese. Keep mixing so nothing sticks to the bottom. Once all the cheese and everything is melted together, it's ready to plate. Add a hefty amount of black pepper and serve. Again, this is great if you have to cook for a lot of people. Thanks for watching, and remember, enjoy where you eat.